Hi guys, when last did you try delicious yam pottage? So today we'll be making this delicious yam pottage. So these are my ingredients. I have crayfish, black pepper, seasoning cubes, pomo, smoked fish, onion, pepper, red oil, groundnut oil, uziza leaf, tomato, ugu, and my yam. So now let us go straight into business. First, you put your pot on fire and then you add oil to the fire. So you're going to add the palm oil first. We're adding the red oil first and allow it to heat up a bit. Once it heats up, then you would go in with your groundnut oil. So yeah, I'm adding the palm oil for the color, and I'm adding the groundnut oil just because I want to add it. So you can either add both or you can just do palm oil. It's not compulsory you add both. I just felt like adding both, so you can just do your palm oil if you want. So next I went in with my onions. So you're going to add your onions to it and you're going to what's it called, stir the onions and allow it sit down and fry. Allow it fry well before adding other ingredients. So now when your onions is well fried, you're going to go in with your pomo, your smoked fish, your crayfish, any fish or any animal you want to add. You're going to go in with it at this point. So I went in with my crayfish, my pomo, and my smoked fish. So then I stirred also and I allowed it to fry well. So make sure you're cooking on low heat so that it doesn't burn. Just make sure your fire is on low heat. Yeah, my oil is foamy actually. So after that, you're going to add your pepper, your fresh pepper. So you can either slice the pepper or you grind the pepper or anything you want to do with the pepper. I sliced my own, so you can do whatever you want to do with yours, but if you slice it, not bad. So after adding my pepper, I added my tomato. So my tomato paste, I added it to it and I just stirred everything and I allowed it to fry. So you can use tatashe if you want. If you feel it's not going to come out red and you want it red, fine, you can use tatashe to make it red. So you can add tatashe to it at this point. Then you just add a little water. If it is getting dried, you just add little water to it so that it doesn't burn. So I'm going to go in with my what's it called, black pepper also. So you can add your black pepper, your spicy pepper, any pepper you want to add. But if you're not the pepper type or if you don't want it too spicy, just fresh pepper is fine, or just black pepper is fine. You don't need to add all the pepper in the world. I want mine spicy. That was why I added black pepper and I added fresh pepper to it. So it is not a must. Just fresh pepper is fine. And also, before I forget, please do not forget to subscribe if you've not, and please help us turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that anytime we post a new video you will be notified. And please help us like also if you're enjoying the video, and also let us know in the comment section, have you tried cooking your own pottage yam this way? Let us know in the comment section. So yeah, I added my seasoning cubes to it. So after adding my seasoning cubes to it, I added salt to it. So now you can add whatever spice you want to add to it. Any other spice you want to add, you can add it now. I only added my seasoning cubes and my salt. So any other thing you want to add, you can add it now. If you want to add other spices to bring out the aroma, the taste and everything, you can add it now. But mine, the aroma was okay, like it was giving, so I didn't have to like add any other thing. So now I'm going to go in with my yam. So yeah, now you're going in with your washed yam. After cutting, slicing, washing your yam, at this point you're going to go in with the yam. So you go in with the yam and you mix the yam with your sauce, mix it with everything, make sure to mix it well. After that, you're going to add water to the yam, because remember, you only washed and cut the yam down. So now you're going to add water to the yam so that the yam can cook with the sauce. So I'm going to cover this and I'm going to allow it to cook for like 15 to 20 minutes. That's cooked till it's ready, till it is soft, before coming back again to like turn it and add other stuffs I am going to add. So you do this, cover it, make sure it's on low heat and give it like 15 to 20 minutes to be ready. You can be checking it as well so that it doesn't burn and so that the water doesn't dry off and then you come back to see black pots. So yeah, you can be checking it time to time. So next, our ingredients, I'm adding my uziza leaf. So this uziza leaf, I had it at home, so I had to just like add it to the yam because it was in the house. I had to like add it. So you can do just your ugu or you can do just your uziza leaf. It's not a must you add both of them, but if you want to do it like mine, you can add the both. So yeah, the uziza leaf gave it its own taste and aroma. So yeah, I had to like break some yam because I wanted my what's it called, my sauce, I wanted it thick. I wanted the pottage thick, so I had to like break some yam, but this part is also optional. If you like, you can break yam to make your sauce thick. If you like, you can just add your leaves, add small water and then cover it, allow the leaf cook with the yam, any of the above. But I enjoy doing this most times so that when I'm eating the sauce, oh my goodness, if you've not tried this, you should try it and then let me know what you think later after trying it. So yeah, I just did that, and after that I added my ugu also. Remember, we're using uziza and ugu, so I had to like add both leaves and then mix it together, and then I just covered it and allowed it to sit for like 5 minutes till the leaf was already cooked with the yam before coming back to like take it off fire. So your leaf is the last thing you are adding. Your leaf should be the last thing you're adding. Remember the last time we made porridge, yeah, we added leaf first. No, we added leaf before the yam, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so but your leaf should be the last thing you are adding. I did that because I just felt like, but your leaf should be the last thing you're actually adding in your pottage yam. So try our own recipe. I know you have a way of cooking your own, but try our own and let us know what you think. And also, if you don't want your leaf looking like this in your pot, too much leaf, you can add just small leaf. I like the leaf, that's why I added everything. I added plenty leaves. But if you don't want too much leaves like this, you can just add small leaf. So yeah, like I said, I'm just going to cover it and wait till it's ready. And once it's ready, I'll be back. As you can see, it's already looking yummy, like super delicious, guys. The aroma, the taste, everything was complete. Like everything was giving. It's too bad my camera didn't do justice to this food, guys. Everywhere was just like, oh my goodness. Anyways, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and you can feel free to let us know your name and the country or state you're watching from so that we can make a shout out to you. Also, like I said, do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on our next video and all of our videos. Please help us share this video so that other people can learn our recipe too, or people that don't know how to make this will actually learn how to make this. Put a smile on someone's face today. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.